Hey everybody, so today I am going to talk about why I changed from the Rode Wireless Go over to the brand new DJI Mic. So one of the main things that drew me towards the DJI Mic was the design and the features of it compared to the Rode Wireless Go. I absolutely love the fact that it comes with this charging case, which is amazing, and it comes with your different inputs. So you have USB-C and you also have a lightning connection, so you can connect it to phones or tablets, which is fantastic. I really love the case and the fact that you can charge with it and charge the microphones as well, where if you compare that to the Rode Wireless Go, you have to plug them in separately unless you buy a third-party case. The fact that this comes with everything already just kind of won me over straight away, and it made me sell the Rode Wireless Go and go for the DJI Mic. Now, one of the other things which I really love, so I'm just going to try and show you the DJI Mic. On the back here, you will see there is a very small magnet, and this magnet I use myself to connect to my clothes. So I will put the magnet under my t-shirt and then connect the microphone to my top, and the magnets are actually really strong as well. So if I let you hear this, so there's a good connection there, which is great. And yeah, I just love that. And it even comes with a little clip that you can clip onto your top as well if you'd like. The other great thing about these is that they're small and they are discreet as well. With the microphones as well, you also have a connection for a lav mic, so you could lav yourself up if you wanted to. And also you can record directly onto the microphone itself, something which I'm currently not doing, and something which I hope I don't regret. But if you do record directly on there as like a safety track, you can plug it directly into your computer or device and pull the files off there, which is amazing. The microphone itself also comes with this little carry case. It's okay. It would have been nice to have a hard case, but hey, it's fine. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it has two little compartments. So you have one here and then there's a slit in the middle that separates them. And then you have the other side. It also comes with little dead cats, and you can attach these to the top of the DJI mics for your windy conditions. I'm going to pop up a clip here from a recent video that I done of the Volkswagen ID.5, and I was recording outside and it was very windy, so I will let you hear that now. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Behind me we have the Volkswagen ID.5. I have been very kindly allowed to take this on a 24-hour test drive and give my thoughts and opinions on it. Hi everyone. Welcome to the video. Behind me we have the Volkswagen ID.5. I have been very kindly allowed to take this on a 24-hour test drive and give my thoughts and opinions on it. So the only negative thing that I have to say about the DJI Mic is to actually do with one of the leads that they give you in the box. Now this is the lead here, and it connects your camera to the receiver, and it is actually awful. The quality is not great. It's very rigid and it's just awful. To be honest with you, when you try to connect your receiver into the side of the camera, it's just not very flexible and really awful. So I am actually using a Rode cable that came with the Video Mic Pro Plus. So yeah, that's one of my main negatives, is get rid of that cable. So this isn't really a massive in-depth video of the DJI Mic. You're kind of getting a little bit of audio from it, so you can see what it sounds like. I haven't added any processing to the audio, so it's direct from the mic. So that'll give you an idea of what it sounds like. So overall, I am really happy with my purchase of the DJI Mic, and I don't regret selling the Rode Wireless Go. The design and the features of this mic really won me over. So the fact that you have the charging case, you can pop the microphones in to charge them. The fact it comes with the magnets already, it just really won me over. And I just really like how small and sleek they are. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and if you're kind of on the fence about whether to purchase it, I definitely recommend going for it, and I don't think you'll regret it. Thanks so much for watching.